Let's be real, we've all spent way too many hours eyeing expensive furniture online just to see that out-of-stock or four-figure price tag. But what if you could just build it better? Welcome to the ultimate countdown of the top 10 bedroom builds that prove you're just one hardware store trip away from a total sanctuary. We've got everything from secret underbed storage to stage-set canopy beds with professional lighting. It's time to clear some floor space and grab your safety glasses. It's about to get productive in here. As always, if you want to stay in the loop, subscribe if you haven't already. 10. Turned a skinny bedroom into a stylish headboard-dressing nook. So, you've got a long, narrow bedroom to fix? Let's build a custom headboard and dressing suite that actually fits the vibe. First, prep 3 birch plywood boxes. Keep them around 67 by 34.5 so you aren't fighting with tight staircases. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Secure your plywood base to the floor, then hoist those boxes into place. Definitely grab a buddy for this part. Once they're screwed together, grab your DeWalt and fly through that poplar trim. For the grand finale, toss on some $15 Amazon LED strips to set the mood. For just $550, you've got a professional transformation that looks like $1,000,000. 9. Happy, low-cost floating bed with concealed drawer. Tired of kicking that chunky IKEA mom frame? It's time to upgrade to a custom floating bed that actually saves your toes and your floor space. Grab some 2x4s and let's get building. Start by gluing and screwing your base frame together with those heavy-duty 6-inch joist screws. To give it that cool, driftwoody character, take an angle grinder to the ends of the timber, then smooth everything down with a belt sander. Pro tip, keep the underside open with just one cross brace so you have plenty of room for those matching underbed drawers later. It's a rock-solid, over-engineered masterpiece for way less than retail. Number 8. Bedroom glow-up with simple wainscot trim. Is your bedroom feeling a bit blah? It's time for a high-end glow-up without the contractor price tag. You're installing custom wall treatments to add some serious warmth and architectural interest. First, nail your chair rail into place, then grab some peel and stick molding kits for the wainscoting. It's a game changer with 0 nail holes. If you're feeling bold, upgrade the idea with mirror inlay wainscoting. Just apply oversized mirrors to the bottom half of the walls, capped by that chair rail, to instantly double your light and space. Whether you go with classic falling snow white or sleek glass, it's a high-impact transformation that looks totally custom. Ta-da! Floating bed finished with an artistic headboard. Ready for a build that's actually bomb-proof? You're crafting a custom floating bed with a heavy beech frame and a free-handed cherry headboard. Since store-bought beds can't handle trampoline-level energy, start by gluing and screwing your base using heavy-duty Festool hardware and 12mm dominoes for maximum strength. For that artistic headboard, ditch the pencil, grab an angle grinder, and freehand those contours for a one-of-a-kind look. Don't forget to add a metal strip to distribute the load across the beams, ensuring it stays rock solid even if someone sits on the edge. It's an over-engineered masterpiece that turns a simple bedroom into a high-end artisan retreat. 6. DIY Floating Emperor, White Oak Edition. Want your bed to literally look like it's defying gravity? You're building a massive Emperor floating frame using 45mm by 195mm oak sections. To get that magic lift, swap your standard front legs for a 30mm thick Perspex support. It's nearly invisible and sells the illusion perfectly. Assemble your frame with 10mm dowel pins and M8 bolts for a rock-solid finish. Then overhang the sides by 400mm to hide the base. For the grand finale, wrap 10 meters of LED strips around the oak interior to create a stunning underglow. Top it off with some high-quality sprung slats, and you've got a high-tech sanctuary that's pure luxury. 5. Here's a DIY Twin XL Loft Makeover idea you'll love. Cramped room? It's time to get that bed off the floor with a custom iron-reinforced loft that looks as tough as it feels. You're building a custom Twin XL loft bed using heavy-duty oak plywood and iron piping. Start by gluing and clamping your base. It's over 100 pounds of solid oak, so use adjustable legs to hold it steady while you screw it directly into the wall studs. To hide those unsightly screws, add an extra vanity board to the visible sides for a clean, professional finish. For the stairs, sandwich 3 layers of oak plywood and support each step with iron piping for a rock-solid feel. Toss on some string lights and a fresh stain, and you'll have turned 2 months of work into a masterpiece, or less if you're more dedicated than our author. 4. The flat floor bedroom transformation inspiration. Dealing with a floor that feels more like a roller coaster? It's time to rip up that old drywall subfloor and level those sagging beams. Use a laser level to establish your height, then scribe and cut stud lumber to match the curves of your existing beams. Once you've screwed those levelers in place, lay down fresh OSB and lock it in with high-quality laminate. To finish the look without breaking the bank, grab a large IKEA mirror. If they don't have white, just paint the aluminum frame to match your vibe. It's the ultimate day zero prep for a perfect room. 3. The $200 sleeper sofa glow-up. Stuck using a sleeper sofa every day? Give it a functional upgrade. Use 4 Homerood end tables to build a wraparound shelving unit that doubles as a nightstand. Measure your couch first, but don't stress a small gap. A curtain or ottoman can hide a few extra inches. For about $200, you get instant storage and a built-in look. Pro tip, if you see slight gaps, slip in a shim to prevent warping. Perfect excuse to raid your scrap wood pile. It's an easy way to make a temporary bed feel like a permanent high-end suite. 2. The self-leveling Murphy desk bed. Need a home office that transforms into a guest room in seconds? You're building a horizontal Queen Murphy bed with a built-in self-leveling desk. To keep the face from looking like a giant blank wall, run a sheet of 3/8-inch MDF through your table saw, cutting just 1/16 inch deep to create a sleek, fake cabinet detail. Pro tip: aim for the desk to sit 1 to 2 inches off the ground when the bed is down for a rock-solid feel. Use a mix of pocket screws and L-brackets so you can take it apart later if needed. It's a genius, multifunctional build that maximizes every square inch. Lastly, 1. The ultimate stage-set canopy bed. We've finally reached the top spot on our list. Forget that default bedroom. We're turning it into a masculine, industrial retreat with a canopy bed that feels like a professional stage set. Start by taping out the floor and centering your ceiling fan, because once this beast is up, it's not moving. Use Doug Fir 4x4s for a bomb-proof frame and exterior pergola brackets for that rugged, architectural edge. For the real theater vibe, run wiring through 1-inch pipes to directional spotlights and add a guitar knob dimmer for ultimate bedside control. Finished in sleek satin black. This isn't just a bed, it's a high-impact masterpiece.
Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.